We have to start the wallflower pot background. Draw 0 to 7 cm standing line. Then after 0 to 15 cm slipping line. Now dot on a 2 cm, 5.5 cm. Draw 0 to 7 cm standing line. 1 cm gap on both the sides for more one standing line. Now take 1 cm standing line on both the sides. Join the standing line. Now 5.5 cm is our center point. Now draw the 0 to 7 cm standing line. Now take 0 to 3 cm, only dot on both the side. Then after we have to draw a 0 to 2 cm slipping line for flower pot. Now we have to use master circle to make flower pot. First we have to draw one side, then after we have to draw second side. So easy to make and fast also the flower pot.
Make a circle.
Now we have to draw a flower on flower point. We
Write
have to
3
simply
times
write
3.
3 for 3 times. So easy to make and easy to draw and easy to keep it in our mind also. We have to draw the flower, make small circle.
Same another side.
Now second flower pot, same according to the first flower pot. Circle, make a flower. We have to start the streams, so easy to make a flower. Now we have to draw
Here you have to draw the
a
window.
window. Take 0 to 5 cm slanting
5.
line and gap for 1 cm. Now 4 cm slanting line.
4.
0 to 5 cm
5.
and 0 to 7 cm standing line.
7.
Slipping line. It is very easy to draw a wallflower pot background.
Now here you have to draw 2 circles for handle.
For wallflower pot, first we have to fold rectangle. Now square fold. Then after we got 1, 2, 3 and 4 parts. 1, 2 and 3 parts we have to fold the center side. This is our wallflower pot. We have to here make a one hole if we want. Okay, and here we have to make some flowers, or we have to stick. We have to draw same flower. We have to make here some leaves like this. This is our wallflower pot.